Here's a quick and easy way to make a 10-foot wooden ladder. First thing you want to do is line up your 2x4 studs and clamp them together. Okay, I want my treads 12 inches apart, 1 foot. Okay, I got my tread centers marked, and I have 9, so I need 9 treads. Okay, I want my treads 16 inch from the inside of the 2x4s. So 16 inch plus the 2 2x4s is another 3 inches, so 19 inch. So I want my treads 19 inches long. Just put the stop there so I don't have to be measuring every one. Okay, here's my tread, and these are 3.5, and they're light 3.5. So 3.5. That means I need 1 3/4 inch. 1 3/4 on either side. 1 3/4 1 3/4. Now there's several ways that you can dado out your 2x4s, and I have a radial arm saw, so all I do is I put in a dado blade, and I wanted to go 1 inch into my 2x4, so I made a mark, and this is kind of my test piece. There. Okay, I want to pre-drill the end of these. That's 3/4 inch from the edge. Okay, now I'm going to bed these rungs in here. This is just good if you're going to keep your ladder outdoors. It'll keep this stuff from rotting up. I'm using 3.5 inch galvanized spiral nails. sure they're square around there. There you go. Cheap and easy.